How to use promo code on AliExpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use promo code on AliExpress. Now first you have to make sure that you have the promo code. Now if you open up AliExpress app and if you head into account option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then if you tap on coupons here, it'll show if you have any coupons. Currently I do not have any coupons, you can see. Now what you can do is you can head into your browser, and on your browser you can search in for AliExpress coupon, and if you scroll down below, now ignore these sponsored ones, or you can get it from them as well. Now I'll just head into this Los Angeles Times ones, and you can see there are a couple of codes. Select the code that you want to choose. I'll just simply select this view coupon option here, and then what you want to do is you want to copy it. Now once you copy it, what you want to do is you want to head into AliExpress homepage, search in the product that you want to buy. You can either search it from the search bar, or you can either, suppose you just want to buy this charger here, I'll just select this charger product here. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you want to tap on buy now option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you tap on buy now option here, you want to continue, and once you continue here, it will give you the coupon code option here.